Hey everyone, so today will be a more chilled out, chatty video. So I will be doing some crafts or askartelua in Finnish. So we will askarrella yhdessä tässä videossa. What I'll be making is this kind of straw-shaped, or attempting to make, a straw-shaped star like this. So the inspiration came from a Patreon member, actually. She suggested that she had heard of this Finnish decoration called himmeli. Himmeli. And although this isn't the most traditional shape of himmeli, it's what we're going to be doing today. So all these straight pieces of straw. So straw in Finnish is olki, and then you get a bit of string. So naru ja olki. Okay, this is the shape that we're attempting, and it does have instructions inside. So all we need is a pair of scissors. So scissors in Finnish is sakset. Okay. It does come with instructions, and as you see, the first step is to soak the straw for 4 hours. So I will do that and then get back to you. All right, everyone, now I'm back with the soaked olki. So I'm ready to make my star himmeli. Okay, so this is the mold, or the vuotti, that we will be using. The instructions are up here. So first thing we do is tie these together from the center, or the middle, keskeltä, with the rope. So a bit of background information while I'm doing this about himmeli decorations is that traditionally they are made from olki, like I mentioned before, and usually the decorations traditionally are more pyramid shaped, like small decorations kind of built together into a bigger one to create a more pyramid shape, and you hang it from your ceiling, and it's popular to put it around Christmas time. The word himmeli itself apparently comes from the Germanic word himmel, which means the sky, I think, taivas. So that is the origin of this word, but originally, apparently, this tradition, this himmeli decoration tradition, came to Finland via Sweden. Back in the day, though, apparently, you would also use these decorations as a luck charm for a good crop year. Another thing I did want to mention is that I did make a survey, like a feedback survey, and I'll leave it in the description box down below so you can use that. It's on Qualtrics. It's only 4 questions. It'll take a minute or less to fill out. Basically, it's just asking your thoughts on, for example, what your favorite types of videos have been, and also what types of videos you'd like to see in the future on this channel. So for example, for this year 2023, what kinds of videos would you be interested in me making more of? Of course, you can also answer that in the comments down below, but you can also help me out and fill out the survey too. So that is in the description box down below. And yeah, actually my Patreons and YouTube members on tier 2, I have made you guys your own survey just because it has an extra question about what you have found most helpful in the monthly workbooks that you guys have been getting, just so that I know the types of exercises that I can make more of for you guys, or the types of exercise that you have been enjoying the most. So that would be really helpful to get your feedback as well. So yeah, guys, how did you guys spend your New Year's? So New Year's in Finnish is uusi vuosi. uusi vuosi is new year. So if you want to wish someone a happy new year, you would say hyvää uutta vuotta, like good new year. Hyvää uutta vuotta. It's all in the partitive case form. And just a tip, usually I would say pretty much always if you're wishing someone something, like as a celebration, Merry Christmas, Happy Easter, Happy Valentine's Day, Happy Runeberg Day, whatever celebration you want to wish someone for, happy birthday, you would usually use the partitive form when you're saying your wish. So it's the same here. So hyvää uutta vuotta, all in partitive. Hyvää uutta vuotta. Hyvää uutta vuotta. You know what I did wrong? I don't think I was supposed to put all of them in one thing. It says here 12 pieces. I just put it all. So I'm just gonna recount these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So yeah, that's a big difference. Take all of these out. LOL. Yeah, this is gonna be much more manageable. Let's try that again. In the morning, I actually went to play badminton. So badminton in Finnish is sulis, or the real word for it is sulkapallo. Sulkapallo. But the puhekieli word for sulkapallo is sulis. So you can say pelasin in past tense, sulista. Pelasin sulista, or pelasin sulkapalloa. I played badminton. So I did that in the morning, which is why my arm is still a little sore. And then after that, I just hung out with some of my friends at home. And Sydney is actually scared of fireworks. So although she is 16 and can't hear so well anymore, what is going on here? Oh my goodness. Which is good, so she doesn't get as scared. She can still see them and smell them. So we try to close all the windows, and she'll be too, because in Finland you can start shooting fireworks from 6 p.m. Like just anybody can buy, well, you have to be over 18 to buy them from the store, but you can buy them and just shoot them by yourself from like a field or wherever. So you can, you know, private people can just do that by themselves. So that's why in a lot of neighborhoods there'll just be people shooting off fireworks in random places. Oops. So you can start doing that at 6 p.m. on New Year's Eve. So after that, Sydney is too scared to go outside. So we just kind of hunker down in our house, close all the windows, and try to distract her from what's going on outdoors. So that was my uusi vuosi. What did you do on uusi vuosi? Did you do anything special? Did you just stay at home? Did you make it to midnight, or did you fall asleep beforehand? So midnight in Finnish is keskiyö. Keskiyö, middle night. Keski, middle. Yö, night. Keskiyö. Yeah, this is looking a lot better now that I'm doing it how it's actually supposed to go. So in Finnish, a firework is called ilotulitus. Ilotulitus. Mine aren't staying very well where it's meant to be. Okay guys, so I'm back with some very unfortunate results. So remember, the himmeli was supposed to look like a star. It was supposed to look like this, you know, very cute, you know, decoration that you won't be embarrassed to hang in your house. Well, what? Oh, you can feel free to laugh at this. This is what mine looks like. It doesn't even resemble a star. I don't know at what point things just took a dive for the worst, but clearly this arts and crafts is not my forte. Oh my goodness. And let me tell you, this was so difficult. And this this looks so crusty, guys. Oh my goodness. I mean, of course, I can trim some of these strings so it's not so wild looking. So yeah, guys, this is my finished himmeli. Pretty, right? Tosi kaunis. So yeah, if you see a package like this in the shops, it's not as easy as they make it out to be. And this took so many hours, you know, including the soaking. And just now when I was like twiddling and trying to fold this, okay, I think this is this video will be wrapped up right here. So wishing you all a hyvää, uutta, vuotta, and I will see you in my next video. Moikka!